Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Komori stand here at Drupa 2016 and to the world launch of the Lithrone G37 printing press. Romuald is my operator. Good afternoon. Now, the new Lithrone G37 is the high-end version of the Lithrone A37, which debuted at Drupa 2012, which you might remember. But the best way to describe the Lithrone G37 is everything is just right. This versatile press can print 8 up, A4 impositions. And the cost of the plates is lower than for a 40-inch press. Now, with a maximum print speed of 15,000 SPH, the GL37 can be equipped with instant curing, powderless HUV or HUVL, which is the Komori LED UV solution to maximize production and efficiency. A new addition to the HUV lineup, HUVL, is equipped here in the upsweep of the delivery unit. Now, there are also many new individual performance enhancements on the press. For example, we've got the full APC, fully automatic plate changer. We've also got a new PDC SG print density control system. And we have a PQAS SG inline colour control system. So, Romuald, shall we get started with the dem? Thank you. IoT, the Internet of Things, where all things are connected over the Internet, has begun. And by 2020, 50 billion devices will be connected over the network. And printing presses are no exception. So, before we start printing, let's just run through some of other features, including KP Connect. You can take a look at the screen. It's a cutting-edge IoT solution for optimization of the press and printing work. And it's based on detailed operating information shared by the printing company. The next thing is the Komori K-Station for Printing Task Control Software. And that connects all processes by CIP4 and JDF. The K-Station for Printing Scheduler is shown here on the screen, and the scheduling results can be checked on your smartphone or tablet like this. Now, these are the jobs that we're going to be printing. First, 170 sheets of work and turn printing of a 16-page A4 job. And then that will be passed immediately to post-press. And then afterwards we'll print the second job, 200 sheets of a poster. Oh, thank you, Romuald, that's wonderful. Now, the Lithrone G37 is now doing LED UV printing with instant curing at the 15,000 SPH maximum print speed. So here we have it, the first side is done. Question is it really cured by LED UV? Let's rub it to find out. Completely dry, very impressive. And the reason we can immediately turn the sheets is because they're already totally dry. So greater efficiency can be achieved with fast work and turn printing. Thank you. Now, this is the K-Supply KG911 LED UV ink that we're talking about. It's supplied by Komori, and with connected print, the hardware, consumables and the software are connected. Komori has begun manufacturing and selling HUVL ink for applications that demand extreme high quality. Now, the Komori Graphic Technology Center in Japan carried out repeated testings of the inks to provide you with the highest level of performance, and it provides extraordinary flow characteristics and ink mileage. So we've now started the preparation for printing on the other side after turning the sheets. So let's just run through a few other devices that are equipped on the operating stand, and you can follow this on the live camera feed. Now, this is the PDC SG print density control system, and it's newly equipped on the GL37. Quality is checked with the PDC SG scanner, and colours are of course digitized, so that facilitates quick colour matching with Komori's original colour feedback technology. Also, inline colour control is handled by PQAS SG, equipped there above the delivery. The KID, Komori Info Service Display, which we're going to look at now, shows you your image data, your PDCS SG measurement data, and it also the colour control data, and it's in an easy to understand form. Okay, the first job, the 8-page A4 work and turn printing, will start printing the second side. And this enables printing of both sides in a very short space of time because of the instant curing. And as soon as we're able, we'll grab a sheet just to prove you they're completely dry. So the work and turn printing can be finished in just over 3 minutes because of that instant curing, which means it can go immediately to post-press. Now, the prints include a colour bar along the bottom, and you can check out the prints for yourself as they're coming off the press. And do take a look at the quality for yourself. Now, you can clearly see that high productivity, short run operation is possible, even with a one-sided press when you're utilising the HUV system. So here's our first job finished. It enables high efficiency, low cost production, and it saves you space, energy, and it cuts your plate costs. So now what we're going to do is start the changeover for the next job, and this can go to post-press. So take a look at the video. Changeover is going to be to a poster, and it'll take about 5 minutes. The press is newly equipped with KHS AI parallel control technology. In other words, automatic blanket washing and ink settings for the next job are performed simultaneously. This technology shortens changeover time by approximately 2 minutes. Now, when automatic blanket washing and ink settings are complete, the FAPC, the fully automatic plate changer, operates. So the clamps are automatically releasing the plates inside the unit, and then the plate is discharged inside the unit cover, and then automatic plate feeding is performed. This process enables very quick changeover. Next, I'd just like to tell you about the materials and equipment that Komori provides to integrate many printing tasks. If you take a look over to your right, the materials are branded Case Supply products and the equipment PESP products. But you don't have to strain your neck. We've got a live camera over there, so we'll run through each of the bits that we have for you on the camera. So the Case Supply products maintain stable print quality by the Komori press. First, the Case Supply ink that's optimized for HUV printing. Now, the main benefit of Case Supply ink is reduced cost because consumption is kept low due to increased ink mileage. The sharpness of the dot, the colour stability, and the rub resistance are essential benefits of Case Supply ink. Okay, Case Supply printing materials and chemical products. Case Supply includes all the materials you need for printing, including rollers, blankets, blanket and impression cylinder cleaning cloths, dampening fount solution, and also roller cleaning fluid. And these all contribute to the stability of the print quality. So we continue the plate changing. Now take a look at the screen at the power consumption monitor, and that indicates operating waste and loss from the power used, the electricity charge, the consumption and the paper waste, as well as the CO2 emissions emitted from power per job, are clearly displayed on that monitor, and that shows you your environmental impact. Also, the power consumption is displayed on the KID monitor of the Lithrone G37, And if you like, you can take a look at the display after the demonstration. That's okay, isn't it? Yes. Now, I'd also just like to tell you about the DC motor blower on the screen right now. This is going to give you even further energy saving, because if you replace the conventional ring blower, which is the air supply of the press, with that, the DC motor blower, it will cut your power usage by roughly 70%. And at the same time, the amount of heat from the blower is kept down, so it significantly improves the working environment. Now, we think that the services customers need in the future are not just press maintenance, but also solutions that address operating conditions. Now, these services will expand PESP, including Komori Care and K-Supply products. And as a service provider for customers, you can count on us and our greatly changing services. Okay, so plate changing is almost done. Not quite. There you go. Printing will start now in just a moment, and then we'll do a live quality check and move on to the production of the second job. So as soon as we get a test sheet, Remy-Wald will pass one across, and we'll check the quality with the PDC-SG. The monitor will show the same thing as the KID, the Komori Info Service display, so you will be able to follow the live quality check on the monitors above your head. And you'll be able to see the black, cyan, magenta and yellow densities, and measurement results will be displayed with green, yellow and red. And with the measurement data, the press immediately performs automatic density correction by means of Komori's original colour feedback technology. So we don't need to adjust each key individually. So we're just going to do the check, and then we'll start production printing, and we'll take a look at the colour control by the PQA-SG. The colours will be shown on the KID display there, and the densities are shown at the top for the keys of the 4 units. And the colours are automatically corrected. Now, the line graphs at the bottom show average density trends. And it looks like they're already okay, and as you can see, we've started our production printing. Now, the combination of the Lithrone G37 with its high basic performance and the systems in place enable the pursuit of high productivity. So we'll grab a sample of the second job. Now, the second job is a poster, and it's printed on hard to dry matte paper, and this is very popular with designers. Thank you, Remy-Wald, lovely. With HUVL, it comes out completely cured and ready for post-press. So how about that? Connected print by Komori. Short run, offset, on-demand printing. Komori continues to adapt to the needs of the changing marketplace, and our goal is to partner with our customers to help you open new pages. Thanks so much for your time today here at the demonstration of the new Lithrone G37. If you have any further questions, then there are Komori representatives standing by to assist you. But enjoy the rest of your day, and if you'd care to join me for my next demonstration, it'll take place shortly on the Lithrone GX40 just behind you. Thank you very much. Thank you, lovely.